they like to, this is a delicacy for the Chinese. The price can go up like very high, 5,000-6,000 ringgit for 1 kilo.
Wow.
Yeah.
I feel full of season stuff.
And when we go inside, further inside, there will be a cockroach. Cockroach?
Okay.
Yeah.
Cockroach.
Cockroach.
Yeah, I know cockroaches.
You okay with it?
Yeah. We have them in Florida. How big is it?
Just like that one over there.
Oh, yeah. We have them in Florida.
Florida, the Tampa University.
Yeah.
Yeah, you met them.
Yeah.
I took them to Danum Valley before I met you guys.
Mm.
Yeah.
Where did they stay at
Danum Valley Field Center.
Okay.
I took them for few trips over there. See this crab. Yeah, look.
Yes. Dinner. Too small.
This one, they're working together like the cockroach. So any dead birds or dead bat, the one that fall into the water, they're the one that will decompose.
Okay.
For the cockroach, they're the one that will decompose one of the here on the drier ground.